October is National Domestic Violence Awareness Month, a chance for everyone, victims, survivors, advocates, law enforcement, supporters, and political leaders to unite and end abuse. Natalie Guthrie spoke with the Needham Health Department to find out what they are doing to help.
We knew before we held our first hearing on violence against women on June 20th, 1990, that we had an epidemic on our hands. We knew it. The problem was no one wanted to believe it. The problem was we knew that this violence was extensive, and we knew we had to convince our colleagues in the House and Senate, and quite frankly, the American people, because this was the dirty little secret that everybody kept. Nobody talked about it.
In 1994, Vice President Joe Biden authored the Violence Against Women's Act, which provided funds towards investigation and prosecution of violent crimes against women. And although significant progress in changing laws and attitudes has occurred over the past 18 years, statistics tell us that an average of 3 women in the United States lose their lives to domestic violence every day, which means much more work needs to be done.
October is Domestic Violence Awareness Month, and here in Needham we pay attention to this issue all year round. So we have a Domestic Violence Action Committee. This group was started in 1996, and we address a whole range of education and referral services having to do with domestic violence. We address domestic violence, teen dating violence, elder abuse, and other forms of violence.
Needham's Public Health Department actually runs several programs as a part of the Needham Domestic Violence Action Committee, all aimed at educating the public.
Some of the things that we do include running education programs for parents to help them teach their kids how to have healthy relationships. We also support education programs like bringing the Yellow Dress program into the high school, and we support Take Back the Night, and we also refer Needham residents to domestic violence services.
According to the National Domestic Violence Hotline, 1 in 4 women will be the victim of domestic violence at some point in her lifetime, and on average, 3 women are killed every day at the hands of a current or former intimate partner. And these acts occur in every area of the nation.
You know, some people think that domestic violence doesn't happen in communities like Needham, but really it does. In Needham, last year we had approximately 70 active restraining orders around domestic violence. So this is happening, if not to you or someone that you know necessarily, to a neighbor. It's happening within the community.
For more information on where you can get help, visit the Needham Health Department website at needhamma.gov/health for a list of resources.
There's so many support services available. It's not your fault. Help is available. Please reach out.
For the Needham Channel News, I'm Natalie Guthrie.